Commonwealth Cup. You were drinking wine from a solo cup when you said you'd only eat pate. What? You were wearing a bow tie and blue blazer that day as you talked about your frat boy escapades while you hadn't had a mean one single game. I say to beat you, I'm sorry, and so did Ball State. Ooh.
Rowdy this year, but
This time,
I'm telling you, we are never, ever, ever beating Duke together. We are never, ever, ever beating Duke together. You go talk to your fans, talk to your coach, talk to me. But we are never, ever, ever beating Duke together.
like, ever.
I'm really gonna miss your pickup truck and the camo from your weekends hunting duck and your redneck friends that throw it on the grill in some agriculture firm that's much cooler than the hill.
Ooh, we caught a robbery this year,
But this time I'm telling you, we are never, ever, ever beating Duke together. We are never, ever, ever beating Duke together. You go talk to your fans, talk to your coach and the AD. But we are never, ever, ever beating Duke together. I used to think our hate was forever, ever till we lost to Duke. This can only get better. So Beamer calls me up and he's like, I hate Duke. And I'm like, it's just, I mean, this is exhausting, you know? We should never, ever schedule Duke together. I mean,
like, ever.